Hi, I'm Erica from FarmSteady, and today we're going to make fermented honey garlic. If you've never had fermented honey garlic, you're so missing out. This ferment is super easy. It's just honey, garlic, and a little bit of thyme, but the resulting flavors are amazing. The whole cloves of garlic mellow out and get soft and sweet and are great chopped up into a marinade or sauce, while the honey gets super runny and full of savory garlic flavor. We love using the honey in dressings, marinades, and even drizzled over pizza. Trust me, it's amazing. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We come out with new fermentation videos all the time. And check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes and great fermentation kits. Now let's get started making fermented honey garlic. For this recipe, you'll need 2 heads of garlic and some local honey. You only need a 16-ounce jar, just so that you don't need quite so much honey to fill it. For your garlic, lightly crush and then peel each clove. This might take a bit. Add your garlic cloves straight into your jar. Keep going. Perfect. Now just pour in your honey to cover the garlic. You'll want to leave some headspace. And don't worry if your garlic cloves float up to the top. That's expected. Just poking these guys back in. And cover. For this ferment, we like to rotate the jar a couple times a day, just to make sure that garlic's getting recoated in honey. And because we're not using an airlock with this recipe, you'll want to open up your jar every day or two, just to let out any CO2 that's built up. While we recommend fermenting this for a month so the garlic has a chance to lose its bite, this is one ferment that we're actually going to tell you not to move to the fridge when it's ready. You'll want to keep it out at room temperature and those flavors will keep developing. But the great part of keeping it at room temperature means it's always at hand. So we're drizzling this on everything, and when the jar gets low, we know it's time to make it again. Again, I'm Erica from FarmSteady. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe and check out FarmSteady.com for all our recipes and kits. See you next time.